Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how to add portrait and landscape pages in a single Microsoft Word file for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first is just open the Microsoft Word software. And now by default you will see a portrait pages. So you can see this is a portrait layout pages. So I want to add a portrait as well as a landscape pages inside this single Microsoft Word file. So for this, what you need to do is just click on this layout option and click on this breaks. Now just select this page option. Now it will create a new page. So I want this second page to appear in the landscape mode. So for this, just click on this down arrow icon. Now just select this landscape and just click on this whole document option and just select this point forward and click on OK. Now you can see here I've created a second page to appear in the landscape mode. As you can see, the second page landscape and the first page is portrait. So you can repeat the same process if you want to add again a portrait, landscape or landscape portrait. And once you're done, you can click on this file and you can save it as a Microsoft Word file. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add portrait and landscape pages in a single Microsoft Word file for computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.